Bali isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From hiking an active volcano at sunrise to swimming under waterfalls, from learning to surf to exploring sacred temples, Bali has it all. But here's the catch, with so many activities to choose from, most travelers miss the ones that truly make a trip unforgettable. So, if you are planning your Bali adventure, stick around because I am about to share the must do activities in Bali that you simply cannot miss. Hey travelers, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I share the best travel tips and guides to help you explore smarter. And if you haven't subscribed to us already, don't forget to do that. Now let's dive into the top activities you have got to try in Bali. Number 1. Surfing at Kuta or Canggu. Bali is a surfer's paradise. Whether you are a complete beginner or already experienced, Kuta Beach and Canggu are go-to spots. Rent a boat, take a lesson and ride the waves. It's one of the most iconic things to do in Bali. Number 2 is climb Mount Batur at sunrise. One of the most unforgettable adventures is hiking Mount Batur. Start your trek at 3 am and by sunrise, you will be standing above the clouds watching the sky light up over Bali's volcanic landscape. It's tough but absolutely worth it. Number 3. Chase waterfalls. Bali is full of waterfalls. Teganungan near Ubud, Sekumpul in north and Gitgit waterfall. Each one feels like stepping into a jungle paradise. Take a refreshing swim, snap some photos and let the sound of nature surround you. Number 4. Explore Ubud's rice terraces. A trip to Bali would not be complete without visiting Tegalalang rice terraces. Walk the trails, hop on the famous swings and soak in the breathtaking views. It's one of the most beautiful and peaceful experiences on the island. Number 5. Visit sacred temples. Bali is deeply spiritual and visiting temples like Uluwatu or Tanah Lot is a must. Uluwatu sits dramatically on a cliff overlooking the ocean while Tanah Lot looks like it's floating on the sea at sunset. Both are unforgettable. Number 6. Relax in a beach club. After all the exploring, treat yourself at one of the Bali's iconic beach clubs. Potato Head in Seminyak, Fins in Canggu, infinity pools, cocktails, DJs and stunning sunsets. It's luxury meets tropical vibes. Number 7. Take a Balinese cooking class. Want to really experience the culture? Join a local cooking class. Learn how to make nasi goreng, satay or lavar using fresh Balinese spices. It's fun, interactive and you get to eat everything you cook. Number 8. Snorkeling or dive in Nusa Penida. Take a short boat ride to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan for some of the best snorkeling and diving in Indonesia. Swim with manta rays, spot colorful fish and see Bali's underwater world up close. Number 9. Try yoga and wellness retreats. Bali is also known for wellness and yoga. Especially in Ubud, you will find retreats where you can practice yoga, meditation and enjoy healthy organic food. It's the perfect reset for mind and body. Number 10. Enjoy sunset at Jimbaran Bay. And finally, end your Bali day with sunset dining at Jimbaran Bay. Freshly grilled seafood served on the beach, toes in the sand, waves rolling in. It's the perfect way to wrap up your Bali adventure. So there you have it, the top 10 must-do activities in Bali. From adventures and culture to food and relaxation, Bali really has something for everyone. If this guide gave you ideas for your trip, hit that like button and share it with your travel buddies. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. And tell me in the comments which of these Bali activities are you putting on your bucket list first. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering.